Hey loves, it's your girl Julian Hart, and today I'm back again with another video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, you already know my name is Julian Hart, and if you didn't know, my name is Julian Hart. Welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like my video, comment and subscribe for more videos. I have other video posted for you. Make sure you check it out. You came late, but don't worry, you on time for me. Anyways, today's video guys is going to be about eyebrows tutorial. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you and thank you so much for the love that you guys have been showing me. I've been seeing good and positive comments. I love that energy guys. Let's keep up like that with the JH, the winning team. That's us. You guys, I remember I said on my comments, some of my videos, I commented down below and I said I'm going to do a shout out on people's Instagram or Snapchat because I got when we reached 2K. So we already on 2K, and in this video I will ask you guys to please, if you want a shout out on your Instagram or Snapchat, comment your name down below so you will get your shout out for all the good work you have been doing. You guys have been showing me a lot of love and I really love that guys. Thank you and thank you so much. So basically comment your name down below, either Snapchat or Instagram. I will do a video just giving a shout out to everybody. So make sure you watch all my video to get new friends in your Snapchat, because you already know I'll be giving a shout out, and I'm sure all the people who will comment on my video, you don't have them on your Snapchat. Well, you might have some, but not all of them. So make sure you comment your name and get your shout out, honey. Thank you and thank you so much. Let's keep up the good energy. It's your girl Julian Hart, the JH team. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys how I got this eyebrow look. So what you will need your eyebrow pencil. I'm going to use a brown color. You will need your spoolie to brush your eyebrows. You will need a brush to blend in the concealer. You will need your eyebrow corrector. I don't know how they call it. You will need your concealer, and I'm going to use my LA Gear Pro concealer. Okay. And you will need your powder. So let's go ahead and get ready for this video. To start off, I like to start brushing my eyebrows so you will know where your eyebrow shape is, so you will know how to really draw your brows. I don't like to start over here. It's a big mistake I think people be doing, because you be looking so weird if you do that. You always have to make sure you start at least from here, somewhere right here, or somewhere over here. I like to start over here. So I will start doing my eyebrows over here. Just go the way your eyebrows is going, and if you want to give yourself more eyebrows, you can do it later after you already know how your brows shape is. You also have to make sure you're going slowly so you will really know you will take the same spoolie. You just brushing to make sure the eyebrows, the color pencil that you're getting from here, you will blend in to do these front eyebrows, which will give your eyebrows look more natural. I'll go ahead and do the other eyebrow. Brush your eyebrow first. Once again, I don't like to start from the front part. I like to start over here at the back. Another mistake I see people doing, like you will see somebody doing her eyebrows and she's like, sis, how are you going to see yourself in the mirror if you're all the way like this? Go ahead and go down so you can see really good what you're doing. Go back again and brush. You guys, the way I learned how to do eyebrows, I really didn't know how to do eyebrows, but the more you practice, the better you become. After drawing my eyebrows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer and draw my eyebrows really good, clean it up. This is where you have to really be careful because you don't want your eyebrows to be looking really messed up. So and then I'll go ahead and do the top part. You guys see that this eyebrows is a little bit bigger than this on this part. I'm going to fix it right now. You can fix it with your concealer. So let's go ahead and fix it. And then I like to go back with my eyebrow pencil and just put where I think I did a little bit too much with the contouring. For this concealer that stayed in my hand, I just go ahead and put it over here. This is the time your little brushes have a job. I just go ahead and clean. And then you take the same brush. You can also use this brush to pull mascara. I like to just tap. If you go ahead and grab it something like this, it won't look really good, as you can just be tapping. Take your time when you're doing your eyebrows, guys. You'll see this, it just looks so good. And then I'll go back with my spoolie again, just to make sure everything is on point. And then after that, if you see your eyebrows is already, you know, looking good how you want it, you will take your powder, and this is the banana powder. I got it from their beauty supply. It was not really expensive. It was, I think, $3, something like that. I'm just going to take a little bit of the powder and then do the same thing. Just tap it. So I'll go ahead and open my hair. This is all, guys. You see, it's not really hard. You just have to be focused and go slow, step by step, and then you will be perfect on doing eyebrows. I know I'm not really perfect, but this is really good for beginners like me, beginners like you know what I'm saying? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you learned something new. Make sure you comment and subscribe for more eyebrows, eyelashes. Just subscribe for more good videos. You know your girl Julian Hearts always do a lot of stuff, you know, always active. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye bye.